Yo guys, what's up? I'm Mark from Stomp Racing, and today we're at a friend's track where we are going to be testing the Kayo Raging Bull 125cc quad bike. On my right I've got Kizzy, he's from Street Elite, and on my left I've got Kay, also from Street Elite. It's fair to say these boys have never actually ridden a quad bike, so today is going to be a baptism of fire for them. Right, let's start with a few of the features of the quad bikes. When we designed this bike, we started off with one of the most important features, and that is independent front suspension. Not only is it independent front suspension, but it's double wishbone front suspension. You have two wishbones. What that does is it allows the wheel to travel up straight when you're cornering hard, and also when you're going over bumps. What that does is it basically means the quad is far more stable and is less likely to tip over. Other features of this quad bike, it has a lanyard. This you connect to the rider, and if the rider pulls off, it pulls out and the engine cuts instantly. 4-stroke engine, 3-speed semi-automatic. The gears are changed here. There's no clutch. The rider just literally stamps through the gears forward and backwards. And that's another key feature that we need to bring in here, that it actually has reverse. So again, on a quad bike of this sort of price range, £1,250, you do not normally find a reverse gear. Okay, moving on with the safety features. Again, a lot of cheap quad bikes, they just have a rear brake. When we designed this quad bike, we wanted to make certain the rider was in full control, and that means the Raging Bull 125 has got twin disc brakes on the front in here, little single pop calipers, and on the rear there's a single brake, so 3 brakes in total. The front brakes are controlled by the lever here, and the rear brake is controlled by this pedal here, as demonstrated by Kizzy. Now the Raging Bull retails for £1,250, which is available from our website, pitbikedirect.com. There is one other thing which I need to mention, and that is these ATVs are very, very quiet. Pretty much concludes the introduction to the quad bikes, unless boys, is there anything I might have forgotten? No? Well, I bet these boys are itching to ride the quad bike, and I guess you guys are itching to see them in action, so let's do this. Should I have said I shouldn't have said. Okay, so what did you think? I think the quad's held up really well. The boys have had an amazing time. They couldn't ride quad bikes before today, but I think it's fair to say that they've actually learned a few tricks and they've learned how to race. Okay, what do you think? Was it good? Have you got anything else to say? It was just good, yeah? Kizzy, have you got anything to add? But you enjoyed it, yeah? Okay, good. That's a wrap then. Don't forget, these bikes are £1,250. You can buy them on our website at pitbikedirect.com. The link is down there in the description. Ow.